So I'm here in Cincinnati on Vine Street. Now, this area has had a lot of ups and downs throughout the years, but they're definitely on their way back up with all these cool restaurants that are opening in the area, like this joint, where they're serving up Mexican street tacos. This is Bakersfield.
Table wait, Pastor, Coach Anita, 2 fish.
I like to eat a lot of tacos, I like to drink a lot of beer, so I get to come here and do just that.
It's a little more of a Southwest style of food.
That south of the border concept was the brainchild of brothers Joe and John Lonnie and good buddy Alex Blust, who opened this place in 2012. What do you guys in Cincinnati know about great Mexican food?
We wanted to be approachable, affordable, and fun. We thought tacos would be a really good vehicle for that.
And the man behind these tantalizing tacos is Chef Chaz Barricato.
2 short rib tacos.
Mainly, I just stick to the short rib because they're just so good.
It's a meatiness going on, and then you got that radicchio, which is bitter just to cut it. It all equals out and tastes awesome.
What are we gonna make?
We are going to make our short rib marinade for our short rib tacos.
Give me the rundown, man.
Okay. First, we're gonna take our roasted tomatoes. All right.
Come on, get up there. Yeah.
Got beef stock, chipotle chili.
In adobo, very nice.
Tomato paste, whole garlic, brown sugar, and kosher salt.
What's the next step?
We're gonna braise our short ribs. Okay, so all we're gonna do is hit it with salt and pepper.
Wow. So the goal here is to just sear each side, get
All
great
that-
crust all the way around.
Absolutely.
All right, buddy, next.
We're gonna add cinnamon sticks, a few bay leaves. Let's add the marinade.
Now, how long are we gonna let this braise in the oven?
We're gonna cook it at 350 for about 4.5 to 5 hours.
Take it.
Okay.
Look at that. Let's make a taco.
Okay.
Look at this
Then we're gonna take our braising liquid, pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, some of our fresh tortillas. We're gonna take our shredded short ribs and hit it with crema, little queso fresco, pickled white onions,
thing. Cilantro.
and then we're gonna finish it off with slices of radish.
It's got a lot of street taco going right there. The tortilla is very light. The short rib, it's tender, not over seasoned. Love the cinnamon in there. This is a really elevated taco. I mean, the whole thing comes together. Fantastic.
2 short rib tacos.
They're nice and juicy. They got a nice crunch to it. Finished on a corn tortilla. Doesn't get more authentic than that in the middle of the heartland.
So you guys are making handmade tortillas?
Absolutely. We usually do about 2,000
Every day.
every day.
Now, I'm in an area known as OTR, over the Rhine. There was a huge European immigrant influence here, so this place makes total sense. And since I was there in 2014, this Belgian bistro has gone to 7th heaven. This is Taste of Belgium.
Traditional galette up, table 210.
Taste of Belgium is one of the staples of Cincinnati.
It's really cool to see it being featured in Food Network and having it being shared with the world.
2 fruit waffles in the window.
Well, it's very typical to Belgium, especially the waffle.
I should hope so, since owner Jean-Francois Flechet started his business with a waffle iron and a dream. Do people understand what a Belgian waffle is?
Well, I think here everybody calls a waffle a Belgian waffle.
Right.
It's depending on the style and typically based on the city. So the waffle that we make is a Liège-style waffle.
Okay, well, let's get after it, man.
So we're gonna start with the flour, salt, yeast, mix it up, and we'll add the butter, eggs,
Ooh, it's raining chickens.
milk, vanilla. And the key is this compressed beet sugar, and you cannot find it locally. There's a special texture, it has a special melting point.
That doesn't smell like any waffle dough batter that I've ever made. This gets done mixing. We portion it, cut it, put it in the holding tray, goes to the refrigerator.
Yes. We'll put 2 balls of dough on the waffle iron, and then we just close it. And in 3 minutes, you're gonna get a beautiful waffle. Just serve in wax paper. That's the way we
That's the way you get it in Belgium.
in Belgium.
That's outstanding. I love the little crystals that you get. You know, you get a little bit of that crunch inside of there. I mean, that's crazy.
Belgian waffles coming up.
You can get the Belgian waffles online. You can get them at several grocery stores throughout the city.
We just launched dipped waffles, chocolate and caramel, and then toss it with nuts. I cannot believe we never did that before.
That's good. Thank you.
The waffles, that's what they're known for, but there's so much more to offer.
I can't believe that there's not a taste of Belgium on every corner in Cincinnati.
When the show aired, things went crazy. Right now, we have 7 full-service restaurants, and we're in the process of opening the 8th one. That would not have happened without Triple D.
We got a grilled ham and cheese ready. Pick it up.
Now it's expanded to so many different areas, and each of them are a little bit different, but the menu is very consistent.
This one is jam-packed, and there's another bistro less than 5 minutes away.
So I'm here in Cincinnati, Ohio, at the Findlay Outdoor Market. Now, this is the oldest market in the state of Ohio. It opened in 1852, and it's been running ever since. Now, when you come here, I mean, you're talking awesome produce stands, all kinds of shops, and the food is off the hook. And I hear a joint you gotta visit, no question, for some bomb pho is right here at Pho Lang Thang.
Order up, I got a beef bánh mì and a guac. Go ahead and go out to table 24.
This is the best authentic Vietnamese food you can get in Cincinnati.
All of his recipes go back 2 to 3 generations.
When you look at the servers delivering the food, you're like, that looks so good, I should try that.
The dude who's created all that curiosity is co-owner, Duy Nguyen.
I'm actually American, born here, but my folks are from Vietnam.
After learning to cook from his mom, Duy and some buddies scraped up enough cash to open this joint in 2010. Now he's dishing up 300 bowls of authentic pho a day.
Beef pho.
The pho broth is fantastic. It's always super fatty, rich, delicious.
It's comfort food for me, and I just love it.
That's outstanding. Tender noodles, great meatball. I think that there's so many components to it. The balance is great. The flavors are subtle. Delicious, man. Great job, chef. Thank you.
It's slightly salty, full of beef flavor.
The smell of the pho wafts across the block. You can't not come in here.
How long is the line to get into this joint on a Saturday?
About an hour and a half.
No.
Yeah.
Maybe that's because the specialties here you just can't find anywhere.
Got a pork bánh mì. Let's go, guys.
Bánh mì is one of my favorites. The richness of that pate, cut with a little bit of the pickled veg, down to the richness of the head cheese.
Great bread. I mean, there's just so many different components. The balance is great.
Thank you.
As you chew it, you just get, oh, there it is. Oh, now I got some sour. Now I got some heat. Now I got a little jalapeno. Now I got the freshness of the cucumber. It just keeps trumping itself as you enjoy it.
Exactly.
I dig it.
Thank you.
The inside is so spongy. It really absorbs the flavor of the meat.
The pickled daikons and carrots gives it a good crunch.
I've never had head cheese before. I like it.
It's neat for people to walk in here and get a full cultural experience.
Exactly.
Outstanding, man. Really.
Thank you.
So I'm about 20 minutes north of Cincinnati in an area known as Fieri Town to check out a joint. Well, here's the story I got. The chef is from here, and he went to Texas to go to college. That's where he met his wife. She's from the Virgin Islands. His mom happens to be from Antigua. He's got this heart and passion for food, and he realizes halfway through his marketing degree, he wants to go to culinary school. Gets his degree, comes back to the place he loves, cooking the food he loves. This is Big J's place.
Teamwork, chef. Makes a dream work.
It's a Caribbean soul food type of place, mixed with Cincinnati flair.
86 cabbage, add mac and cheese.
Not your normal combination.
How is Big J's compared to what you normally get?
Mounds above.
Nothing close to it.
And nothing close to Jason Howard himself, who takes his passion for food right to the people of his neighborhood.
When COVID hit, we had a freezer full of food, no way to get it out. And I said, well, what if we were getting food to kids?
If they're not gonna get that meal, they ain't gonna eat.
We cook the food that we're cooking here for the shelters.
Here's your oxtail dinner.
Oxtail, macaroni and cheese, greens on fire. I'm in heaven. And it fills you up for sure. Caribbean plate with ginger cabbage and shrimp.
The Caribbean plate with shrimp, I'm just like blown away by that.
The shrimp just lays just so heavenly on top of the rice.
What are we making?
Our Caribbean plate, we're gonna start out with our pineapple jerk glaze. Pineapple juice, pineapples, molasses.
The dry jerk seasoning we made earlier.
Scotch bonnet pepper sauce.
Soy sauce.
Granulated garlic, basil.
Allspice.
Minced garlic, salt, pepper, and brown sugar.
Let this cook down. Next up.
The ginger cabbage, oil, onions and bell peppers, cabbage mix, cilantro, sazon, basil, Scotch bonnet pepper sauce, salt, black pepper, ginger, powdered garlic, allspice.
Okay.
Then we add a little bit of chicken stock, cover that up.
Let it sweat. We're good to go. What's up next?
So we have our shrimp, olive oil, garlic, jerk seasoning, basil, salt, black pepper. Give that a good mix. Get a good cook on them, and then we add a little bit of chicken stock. We're gonna start down with rice, our ginger slaw in there, jerk shrimp.
Don't hold back on that sauce.
There we go, chef, with the green onions. And that is our Caribbean plate.
It's not lacking flavor. Shrimp are cooked perfectly. This cabbage is spot on. You're crushing that.
Thank
Great
you,
dish.
chef. Appreciate it. Plating the shrimp Caribbean plate.
Nice jerk flavoring with the glaze.
The juices from the shrimp merge with the juices from the cabbage. It gives a great bite.
You guys have got a little blessing, like just a little island here.
Yeah.
In the middle of Finneytown.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's crazy.
It's like nothing else in the city. That's why you have to come here.
I don't know what's bigger, your heart or your menu.
God bless. Appreciate that.
They're lucky to have you.
Thank you, chef. I appreciate that.
You know, one of the things I love about Triple D, of course, is all the great food. But even more than that is the people that make the food, especially when they're immigrants and they come to the United States looking for that American dream. So I'm here in the Mountain Lookout neighborhood of Cincinnati, Ohio, to check out one such dream. This chef came from Malaysia when he was 41 years old. So he opens up this restaurant. But what people are saying, when you taste this menu, it's a one-way ticket to Malaysia. This is Sago.
Barbecue pork dry noodle.
Sago is this little hole-in-the-wall place. The food here is just like five-star restaurant.
Cooking the curry mee broth.
I'm always looking for authentic Malaysian food, and I found it here.
From Chef Paul Liu, who went from working as a skilled chef in Malaysia to firing things up in Cincinnati. You're doing Malaysian, which is an influence of Thai, Chinese,
Indian, all different countries.
Get a little geography lesson, folks.
One nasi lemak.
The best thing on the menu here is the Nasi Lemak and beef Rendang.
It's curry beef stewed for hours.
Some sambal, pickles, a superb dish.
What are we making today?
Nasi lemak.
Nasi lemak?
Yes. We're going to pressure cook the beef knuckle for 35 minutes.
Lemongrass?
Lemongrass, water. Once it comes out, we will chill it, dice it before we put it into the braise.
What do we do next?
The fresh spice for the beef rendang. Oil, lemongrass, turmeric, galangal, onion. And then we have dry spice. Star anise first. I'm going to break it up.
Break the pot open, yeah.
Yeah. Cardamom,
coriander,
and black pepper,
fennel,
clove, and cumin. Grind the dry spices.
Puree that for the beef rendang.
Yeah.
Next step.
Coconut rice.
Okay.
This is a jasmine and long grain rice mixture. Ginger, onions, lemongrass, pandan leaf, coconut milk, salt, MSG, and water.
Stir it up, let it cook, then we'll finish the dish.
Yeah, we put all this together and we have beef rendang.
Let's see it.
Fresh spice mix, chili powder, spicy chili powder. You can add more if you like it spicy. A liquid from the pressure cooker.
Okay.
Diced beef, dry spice, lime leaf, coconut milk, toasted coconut paste, salt, sugar, and cook for 15 minutes.
What are we on to next?
Tamarind sambal, the chili sauce that goes on the nasi lemak.
Great.
Oil, lemongrass, onions, spicy chili powder. This is a tamarind.
Tanginess of the tamarind, got it.
Yeah, we'll put it back in the pan. Salt, sugar.
Smells so good.
Cook this until you can see the oil separate from the solids. 15 to 20 minutes.
15 minutes of torture. Next.
The spicy pickle, salt, sugar, water, vinegar, onion, cucumber, sweet pepper, carrot.
Okay.
All right, we're plating now. Peanuts, eggs, the spicy pickle.
Right.
Coconut rice, tamarind sambal. This is the beef rendang that we cooked. Toasted sesame seeds and fried onion. Traditionally, we eat it all mixed together.
It was such a beautiful dish, and now you have me destroying it. Oh, that is so good. Wow. You have to mix it together, because when you're biting into this and you get this tender beef with a little bit of spice, and you get a little bite of the pickle, and then the next thing you get spicy, that's really, really delicious.
Nasi lemak and beef rendang.
You have this rich texture with the beef, the fluffiness of the rice.
You get some of the spice, and then you get the egg that can cool it down.
You take a bite and keep going.
So when you found this place, what'd you think?
I thought it was the best food in Cincinnati.
It's something new outside of our comfort zone.
This is the kind of place that I said it a million times. You'd drive by this every day, not knowing it's here. We found out about it. I stop, I get a place to park, and you walk in and you get almost transported to Malaysia. It's a passport.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I'll get the rest of that duck to go.